My name's Bethany Brokaw. I've been in real estate for almost 20 years. I am a completely accidental realtor. I started working as an assistant to an assistant while I was going to college and raising both of my daughters by myself. One thing led to another, and now I own my own company. I work for the Brokaw Group based out of Davison, Michigan. I was able to start partnering with Allen Edwin in 2013. They came and visited our office, took us on tours, and educated us on the amazing product. I really enjoy working with Allen Edwin. One of the things that's awesome is that they make it very easy for us, meaning that their sales reps really go the extra mile. They'll help us with everything from customer care to ensuring a proactive approach throughout the transaction. There's so much inventory that we actually have available that we can show of Allen Edwin Homes, and that alone is an amazing benefit. My clients are brought to Allen Edwin, honestly, usually by me, firstly. After that, it would be the 10-year structural warranty, which is something that is unheard of in our area. Also, the fact that they're a semi-custom builder, which means you can change your colors, you can change your trim amounts. In this day and age, inventory sometimes is a little tough to find. And one of the reasons that my customers want to go to Allen Edwin is it gives them an ability to actually get a house. And a house with all of the things that they prefer to have in it at the price point they want. I love real estate because it is an open-ended opportunity. Real estate is one of the only careers in the world in which as much as you put into it, you can actually get out of it. The sky is the limit as far as your income. And the best part about real estate is that it's actually rewarding. When I first started, I was afraid. What am I doing? Do I really want to work on commission? You know, sales doesn't really sound like me. I learned pretty quickly within the first week or two, I'm not selling houses. I'm helping people. I get to travel the world through my clients' eyes. I get to help people become homeowners that are first-generation homeowners of 7 generations that have lived in the United States. So I get to help people with the largest financial transaction of their lives, where they're picking out their home and their future home where they're going to raise their family and grow old together. And so to me, real estate is so much more than selling houses. It's actually helping people. And a lot of my clients have become my friends and family for life. I feel that my business is set apart from others in the sense that we really want to give a full customer care experience. We try to be extremely proactive in our communication, and we also try to provide other services that maybe not every realtor would do. So for example, if there's an issue during a home inspection or something like that, we're known to know immediately who to call, get it taken care of, have everything handled. We're a concierge realtor in the sense that we can help you schedule your movers. We can get a house cleaner into your house before we schedule the professional photography. We will do anything and everything possible to make the experience better for the client. Buying or selling houses is a stressful experience, and anyone that says it isn't, they're probably lying. So we do everything in our power to make it as least stressful as absolutely possible in order to have them have a great experience. The majority of our business is referrals, and so we want people to keep calling us back, and we want to take care of them throughout the process. Allen Edwin definitely saves me time. The wonderful thing about them is that they actually prepare the contracts themselves, so I'm not doing any type of paperwork as far as purchase agreements or anything like that. Also, their sales reps are absolutely amazing at accommodating my crazy busy schedule. And I really appreciate that. And that alone saves me time. They're able to have multiple different times and days and things like that they can meet the clients and I at the house, or even better, if for some reason I was out of town, they would meet my client themselves. So they save me a lot of time in my real estate business. Allen Edwin has assisted me in growing my business in numerous ways. One of the best parts is that during our extremely low inventory market of the past 2 years, as we all know, it's been very difficult to find our buyers' houses. However, thanks to Allen Edwin, when we can't find houses, I can just contact my sales reps and find out what's available or getting ready to be available. Thanks to them, they've kept the inventory strong, which has helped me sell more houses. Registering my buyers with Allen Edwin Homes is extremely easy. I can do anything from email my sales reps my client's contact information to literally texting them the contact information as well. I mean, I don't know about you, but it doesn't get easier than that. I will continue to work with Allen Edwin Homes in the future for numerous reasons. First of all, they're proactive with their client care, meaning once my client purchases an Allen Edwin home, I know that someone is actually checking on them to make sure they're satisfied for that first year of that builder warranty. I know that they actually have workers available to come into the house to get anything and everything fixed. And that's very important to me, that my clients are taken care of properly. Also, their sales reps are absolutely amazing and trained on the product so thoroughly, always very responsive, and that alone helps make my life so much easier. And the other part would be that Allen Edwin makes a quality product. I mean, they have 2x6 construction, Resnet energy certified, 10-year structural warranty. I can feel good about selling my clients an Allen Edwin house.